Heart disease is a silent killer that claims millions of lives every year. In fact, according to the World Health Organization, it's responsible for 1/3 of all deaths worldwide. That's a staggering 17.9 million lives lost annually. The scariest part? Most of these deaths are preventable. Changing your diet and incorporating certain foods can make a significant difference in maintaining healthy arteries, which in turn can save your life. And the good news is you can start making that change today. Imagine waking up tomorrow with cleaner, healthier arteries simply by adding a few foods to your dinner plate tonight. It's like a ticking time bomb waiting to go off. You're at risk of developing heart disease, having a heart attack or stroke, or even experiencing kidney disease. The risks are real, and the consequences can be devastating. Clogged arteries can lead to chest pain, shortness of breath, and fatigue. It can also cause erectile dysfunction, memory loss, and even dementia. If left unchecked, clogged arteries can lead to a heart attack, which can be fatal. It's essential to take control of your heart health and make conscious dietary choices to prevent this from happening. The good news is that there are foods that can help clean your arteries and reduce the risk of heart disease.
Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful, and let me know in the comments what other topics you would love to watch. Alright.
Let's start with berries, which are packed with antioxidants and fiber. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries help reduce inflammation in the body, which is a major contributor to clogged arteries. Leafy greens like kale, spinach, and collard greens are also rich in antioxidants and fiber, making them an excellent choice for a heart-healthy diet. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Avocados are another food that can help clean your arteries due to their high levels of healthy fats, fiber, and potassium. Avocados help lower cholesterol levels, improve blood pressure, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Turmeric, a popular spice used in Indian cooking, contains curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce plaque buildup in the arteries. Ginger, another commonly used spice, has natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Olive oil is another food that stands out for its artery-clearing abilities. It's rich in healthy fats that help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. It's also a great substitute for unhealthy oils like vegetable oil and canola oil.
Dear friends, if you want to know more about olive oil, you can watch how just 1 teaspoon of olive oil at bedtime is the health game changer in our channel. Link in description and of course in the end screen. Let's start again.
Beets are another food that can help reduce inflammation and improve heart health due to their high levels of fiber, potassium, and antioxidants. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are high in vitamin C, flavonoids, and other nutrients that help improve blood vessel function and reduce inflammation. Cinnamon stands out as one of the most impactful foods on this list due to its potent anti-inflammatory properties. It can help reduce inflammation, improve blood sugar levels, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Cinnamon is a spice that's easy to incorporate into your diet, and it's a great addition to oatmeal, yogurt, or even coffee. Remember, every single food on this list has the potential to make a significant impact on your heart health, so start incorporating them into your diet today.
Dear friends, if you want to know more about cinnamon, you can watch 7 Proven Health Benefits of Cinnamon, Just 1 Drink Daily. In our channel, link in description and of course in the end screen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and hit the notification bell to our channel for more health tips like this one, so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.